Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try this so far. Is it something like this? This line.
Check.
I think I've seen this before, this maneuver. Could be fun, potentially. Rd6 Qe4 I've seen somewhere. Bishop e4, exchange of queens, or bishop e2. Or rook g3. Bishop e2. Bishop e4, I don't know actually. Alright, try bishop e2. He's got queen c1 now. I'm not sure this is a great position. My king. When I played this. And it's got knight d5 there. Let's put the rook back. Hitting e7. Yeah. This doesn't look clever, I gotta say. Yeah. pretty sad. Okay, it's pretty sad. Down on the clock, down on position. Gonna try and claw back. My pawns are kept on dark squares. Let's try and hold. If I don't exchange, does king come over? There's bishop e8, maybe there's potential nuisance factor here. Oh, hang on. I just missed king f4, didn't I? It's like more than a minute up. I'm going to take these guys.
Check. Check.
If I take, well, I have to. I was going to come in for the kill with bishop f3, bishop g2. Don't think there's any way of saving that position, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I thought I knew a bit of it, this line, but not much.
Check.
Maybe this isn't brilliant. Queen c5. What does this do? That's just a bad move. I think I'm replicating a bad move I've seen. That's just the way to play it. Yeah, this is just too ridiculous. If it's not accepted, I've got loads of weaknesses. But I think I have seen this move, g4, but yeah, some of that. It's not too hot. Doesn't have to be accepted. I think I missed, did I miss king f4? Oh, that would have been, blockade. Nice blockade. Oh, what a moron. That was my last chance to try and draw this. I thought so. Alright. Yeah, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.